always asking where did I go wrong.
Took you long enough.
What's up, danger? What's up, danger?
I see this spark in you. It's amazing. Whatever you choose to do with it, you'll be great.
When do I know I'm Spider-Man?
You won't. That's all it is, Miles. A leap of faith.
Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger?
Go stupid.
Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger?
Made it myself. They fit perfectly.
Can't stop me now. Travel 200 miles, I'm knocking at your door. And I don't really care if you ain't your rock. What's up, danger? 'Cause I like moves. I get all on the edge just like you. I like tall buildings, sparkling walls. What's up, danger?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Any last words? Goodbye, Peter Parker.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Miles?
Spider-Man?
Is that all you got? You're gonna fight or you just bumping gum? You hard-boiled turtle slapper.
Now you know he did.
That was crazy.
Sorry, that's cheating.
You're not stopping. Not today.
I am stopping this right now.
The real Spider-Man couldn't even beat me. You took my family. Now I'm gonna make sure you never see yours again.
I'll always have my family. You ever hear the shoulder touch?
Hey.